Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Settings and go straight to Privacy and Security, then Safety Check. This is where you act. You enter your passcode to confirm it's you, and Apple ID credentials may be requested for full control. Once done, choose Emergency Reset to remove all access fast, or pick Manage Sharing to keep selected items. Do this now to stop unwanted access. Act deliberately, because the next choices change app permissions, location sharing, and messages access. You'll see a list of people and apps that have access. Tap each entry and review what's shared. For each contact or app, revoke location, messages, photos, iCloud Drive, home data, or device access as needed. This removes specific capabilities without wiping your phone. Once done, use Keep Only Me to restrict an item quickly, or customize granular permissions when you want to preserve some sharing. Make sure to scroll through every category, because a single unchecked permission can leave a backdoor open. You confirm the changes and then restart your iPhone to ensure permission resets take effect. This clears cached access tokens and forces apps to request permission again. If someone still appears to have access, sign out of shared accounts and change your Apple ID and important passwords immediately. This severs lingering sessions. If settings seem stuck, toggle the specific privacy and security item off and on, then reboot. A final tip: check Find My and Family sharing after completing Safety Check to verify full protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.